I represent both buyers and sellers in a real estate transaction. I am a real estate professional. I take pride in being a realtor and respect the commitment that comes with it. 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath waterfront home located in beautiful Four Seasons, Missouri. Great location on a quiet cul-de-sac street, with a gentle driveway and nice 2-car garage. Wonderful floor plan with plenty of room for friends, family, and guests. Home has been well taken care of, updated, and furnished very nicely. Recent improvements included a beautiful master bath remodel, a wonderful screen room addition, and a cart path that makes getting to the lake a breeze. Dock is cove protected and has deep, year-round water. Inside you will be impressed with the soaring ceilings, spectacular windows, granite counters, large kitchen and furniture and decor throughout.